Navigation plays a big part of all that we are and do. We didn't get here by accident. For more than 30 years, we've been transforming lives. Guided by visionaries, they built a new waka to carry the dreams of Māoridom and charted a new course for Māori tertiary education. There was always a prayer and a plan. Committed to whānau transformation through education, leading the world in Tauira Success, Te Wānanga o Aotearoa is about to embark on another 10-year journey.
Karuke wāhi o te mawhare wānanga o te motu kāre tētahi I te whai e nei ahutanga e whai nei tātou. Nō reira koere te mea kei te wānanga kāri I tētahi atu whare wānanga o Aotearoa nei. Ka tae te wānanga.
Me matatau ngā kaiako. Me whai mana ngā kaiako. Me whai mōhio hoki ngā kaiako. Kāore he take o te whai I tēnā hurai ki aike ki te angitu me he mea he tautau hea noa ngā kaiako. Nā te mea ko tā tautau hea, ko tautau hea.
And I feel that the wānanga is in a great place to enable our young people to actually pick up this knowledge and feel so confident and proud of their own identity. So when we do go out into the world, we have so much to contribute.
Partnerships are at the centre of how we operate as a people. The basis of it is te whakamana I te takata, me tōna katoa. That's about really respecting the differences that you have and upholding your tikaka.
We know that looking that far ahead may be hard to envisage. What will education delivery look like in 2027?
When I think about the future, I think the world will be a great place to live.
Where te reo Māori will sound sweet.
Ki ngā rauru o kuromata rerehua, ia rangi, ia rangi.
And the lives we live will be meaningful.
As our cultural values are admired by the rest of the world.
We will all have role models in our family
and a community that supports our growth.
We all have access to education.
We all have access to education.
We all have access to education.
We will learn from teachers that truly see me for me
and understands how we learn.
In the future, I'll be inspired to challenge everything.
With different learning options, environments, and high-tech solutions.
We will be confident in knowing
that we can steer our world
towards newer and richer planes of thinking.
In the future, I will help create education for my children and generations to come.
Employers highly rate where I study.
And large corporations want people like me.
With innovative ideas and a solid work ethic.
Showing the world the true value
of quality Indigenous education in the workplace.
I'm so excited about this long-term strategy, Te Pai Tawhiti, because it refocuses the organisation on those that we service, on our people, our students, our tauira, ensuring that they are at the centre of everything that we do.
Mindful of the ever-changing conditions of this world, we will remain malleable. With Te Pai Tata serving as 2-year markers, we can confidently plot a course for 2027. Te Pai Tawhiti, one waka, one destination.